The University Hospital of the West Indies is under the microscope this evening following the death of a teen on the weekend. 17-year-old Jalissa McGowan reportedly sought medical treatment at the facility after suffering from an asthma attack. Her family is alleging she was denied treatment. Seemingly in damage control mode, the University Hospital of the West Indies issued this press release on Monday, captioned, "UHWI launches investigation surrounding Miss McGowan's death." But that's no consolation for Narda McCoy, the mother of 17-year-old Jalissa McGowan. The asthmatic teenager died on Friday as her mother says she was denied treatment.
They are heartless. I'm not taking my word, they are heartless.
The tragic ordeal started Friday night when Jalissa suffered an asthma attack. Her parents took her from their house in Bedward Gardens, St. Andrew, in search of medical attention. The nearest hospital, the University Hospital, was their desperate stop.
When he let us off, I called for a porter and the porter came and I was telling him she need oxygen, she wheezing, she had an asthma attack. When he came with a wheelchair, he wheeled her around to casualty. When he wheeled her around to casualty, he said I should go on register. I said, register, she just needs some oxygen. He said, register, yes, register at window 4. I walked up to window 4 and I asked the lady, said she's not working.
After more discussions, Jalissa was taken to the corridor outside the casualty ward. Still gasping for breath, an attendant took administrative details from her mother.
The same nurse aide lady said to her, say, why we not string her up out here so? Like, oh, there's something there here so. She said, no, she can't do it because the last time she string up somebody out here so she get in trouble for it. That is it. So I said she can't get some oxygen nebulizer or something. She said, no, there's no bed space. And in order for her to get the oxygen, she has to have a bed space. I said, she don't need a bed space. Give her in the chair. I said, just oxygen. She said, no.
Miss McCoy says she was instructed to take the child to the Kingston Public Hospital or the Chest Hospital. In lieu of the oxygen, she was also told to continue using the asthma inhaler or pump. But by that time, that was of no help. She says with no assistance coming at the University Hospital, she and her husband decided to take her to the next closest hospital, Andrews Memorial. She says only the security guard at the UHWI offered any assistance.
The security guard, I never beg him, but he wheeled her. He wheeled her to the entrance. He wheeled her. That's how casualty go up to the top where the bus shed is. That's where she collapsed.
They rushed her back into the UHWI emergency ward, desperate for assistance.
I'm beg. I go back out, me fling off the hat and throw the person at the vehicle. Because I know me don't know if you do know, you know. And me say, oh God, me go back in the so. And me beg them. Me say, me literally, I beg them. Me say, somebody somebody just come and help, not help. Anybody can help. One not do for me, one can do. And nobody.
With still no assistance, they decided to take her to Andrews Memorial, where she says assistance was given right away.
We're not going to draw the curtain. When we draw the curtain, them this time no she not have no top and them a pump her, them a pump. You can't see where them a work. They were working, them a work. I'm close by the screen.
Jalissa was pronounced dead shortly afterwards. Since then, there has been public outcry, especially on social media, about the alleged treatment at the UHWI. Still struggling with her own loss, Ms. McCoy says she is now highlighting the problems at the hospital as she wants to put an end to this in Jamaica.
None of that can bring her back, you know. It's just this, we just wanted highlighted to see how them treat people. Me don't want to see this occur again. Me don't want to see it. Me don't want to hear it. I hope this child, my child, can save others. I hope she's a lifesaver for other